Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be going over coordinate geometry of straight lines. So let's see what this is all about. The first thing you need to know is this is all about coordinates. So let's say we have a coordinate A, x1, y1, and coordinate B, x2, y2. Now there is a line AB, x1, y1. A has coordinates x1, y1 as we can already see, and B has coordinates x2 and y2. The question asks us to work out the midpoint of this line, which is represented by a capital M. So the formulas of the midpoint is equal to, we add the x's, so x1 plus x2 over 2, because mid means divide by 2, and then y1 plus y2 over 2. That is your formula for the midpoint. Now the second thing that we need to know is if they ask you to work out the length of AB, the length of line AB, that's got a different formula, and the formula for length or distance is square root x2 take away x1 whole squared plus y2 take away y1 whole squared, and that will help you work out the value for the length of the line. The third thing they might ask you is work out the gradient between these 2 points. So gradient is basically the slope and is represented by a small m, and the formula of gradient is y2 take away y1 over x2 take away x1. In your schools they must say that this is change in y over change in x. Change in x. So that is the formula to work out the gradient, and gradient is basically the slope or the tilt of the line. And the last but not the least, they may ask you to work out the equation of a straight line. So next we need to know equation of a straight line. An equation of a straight line you already know is y equals mx plus c, where m is your gradient, and we already have seen how to work out the gradient, and c is the y-intercept. And what does y-intercept mean? It is a point. It is a point where the line crosses the y-axis. And what I mean by that is, for example, you have a graph like that, and you've got a line passing through it. There we go, that's a straight line. This point here is your C. So I hope you understood this. Make a note of this, and in my next video I'm going to be going over the examples of midpoint, length, gradient, and working out the equation of straight line. Many thanks guys, take care, bye bye.